Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am reviewing Precise Pair Trading Pro. It's an expert advisor built around a genuinely different concept, which talked about trading the relationship between two symbols rather than one instrument on its own. Now, a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Let's talk about the platform compatibility. This is precisely Precise Pair Trading Pro for MT5. So we are strictly in MetaTrader 5 territory here. Now, let's just quickly walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Arkady Zagorulko, currently version 2.1, last updated on the 23rd of June 2026 with 6 activations. Pricing sits at $470 to buy, or you can rent it for $150 over 3 months, or $398 for a full year, which the page says saves you 35%. The developer also notes clearly that this EA is not sold through any third-party resellers or alternate channels, and links to a live signal and public channel, for monitoring are present here. All right. According to the description, this EA trades two symbols and looks for short-term imbalance between them. When the two move away from their normal relationship, it can open trades and closes them once that imbalance narrows back down. Importantly, the page is explicit that this is not a grid EA and not martingale. It doesn't stack recovery orders using just one position per symbol, and it is not designed to sit in drawdown for extended periods. It also uses filters before entering and will skip a trade entirely if conditions are not favorable. So now, moving into the inputs, there is a main trading symbol and a secondary symbol used for comparison, an analytical time frame and historical data depth for its calculations, and an entry threshold that determines how strong the imbalance needs to be before it opens a trade. A higher value means fewer, stronger signal trades. There is also an exit threshold for closing once imbalance shrinks, a close target for the profit level, better smoothing to reduce noise in the signal, a minimum correlation requirement between the two symbols, and a trading time filter. The developer's own recommendation is straightforward. Raise the entry threshold for safer, rarer trades, or lower it for more frequent activity. Now, on the requirements, the page recommends testing with real ticks before going live, and it's upfront that different brokers can produce different results due to price, spread, and session differences. Recommended minimum balance is 300 euro or USD with 1:33 leverage, and for lot sizing, the guidance is roughly 300 to 500 euro or USD per 0.01 lot on gold, or about double that balance per 0.01 lot on euro USD. So now let us get into the historical testing. All right. So I ran this on a $10,000 account using H1 chart covering January through July 2026, about 7 months. And the test confirms two symbols were involved, consistent with how this EA is built to trade. The total net profit for that period came out to $1,189. Breaking that down, the gross profit was $4,506, against a gross loss of around $3,317, giving a profit factor of 1.36. The maximum balance drawdown was a modest 2.78%, with equity drawdown peaking at 4.26%. Both fairly contained, given the strategy is not designed to sit in extended drawdown. Now, out of 462 total trades, close to 58% were profitable, and the recovery factor came in at 2.57, meaning that the net profit here was more than double the maximum drawdown experienced. Now, what stands out here is the trade frequency. 462 trades over roughly 7 months is a genuinely active pace, which lines up with the entry threshold concept on the page, where a lower threshold produces more frequent trading. Now, the relatively contained drawdown alongside that frequency is consistent with the one position per symbol, no recovery orders design described in the listing. Okay, let us just briefly look at the graph, the balance and equity curve. We can see that the balance and equity were almost always very tight to each other. They were very close to each other most of the times. But you will notice that there were also times when the equity dropped substantially below the balance. You can see those green lines below the blue line. But overall, it was a steady growth over time. Okay, so to wrap things up, based on what is available, Precise Pair Trading Pro looks like it is built for traders who want a statistically driven, relationship-based approach rather than a directional bet on a single instrument, with contained risk per trade by design. That said, results here reflect one specific symbol pair, time frame, and threshold setting. The developer themselves note that broker differences and your own hour optimization can shift outcomes. So I will recommend testing your own pair combination and thresholds on a demo account before committing real capital. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.